India Today gets you an exclusive on the India-China standoff. We've accessed some crucial official China maps of 1893, 1909 and 1919 of the Ladakh region, in which China has acknowledged Akshay Chin and Galwan River Valley as Indian territory. These maps completely expose China's current claims and stance. In fact, this is a map that India Today has exclusive access to, and this really exposes China's current claims. We've accessed the crucial official China maps of 1893, 1909 and 1919 of the Ladakh region, in which China has acknowledged Akshay Chin and Galwan River Valley as Indian territory. Now their claim is different, trying to breach into Indian side of the border, but here we're having clear explanations through maps that were accessed by India Today, Chinese maps that showed from 1893, 1909 and 1919, clearly China acknowledging that Akshay Chin and Galwan River Valley are Indian territory. These maps now completely expose China's current claims and stance there.
A 1909 map of the Ladakh Tehsil. General, this map indicates the areas like Pengong So or Aksai Chin, where there's a dispute today, is actually clearly Indian territory.
Absolutely. If you look at this map, this is indicating Ladakh Tehsil, and it is of 1909 and indicating that Aksai Chin and Lingzitang area is included here. You can clearly see the area of Depsang, Changchenmo, area of Daulat Beg Oldie in this. Indicative of the aspect that this area was under the jurisdiction of Ladakh.
General, the third map of Tibet, or then, the map of that time, what does this prove?
This map is a Chinese map which actually relates to Chinese postal album. It is from China itself, and this came out in 1919, and it is indicative of the aspect that this area of Aksai Chin is as per the Indian perception. So all these three maps which you have acquired, they are indicative of the aspect that area of Aksai Chin, and even this area within that, inclusive of Galwan, Changchenbo, Depsang, Daulat Beg Oldie, they are area which has been by history, agreement, custom and usage been with the India from the border perspective.
General, what does the 1893 map given by a senior Chinese official to the British Indian Army indicate?
This is a 1893 map which has been given by the Chinese senior official to British India representative at that time, which is indicating that Aksai Chin is in India. And also in the same period, a Ladakhi by the name of Ghulam Rasul Galwan had carried out the survey of this area. That's how this valley is known as Galwan Valley. And two more British surveyors had surveyed it, McCartney, MacDonald and Hedy Seven, who had again mapped the area indicating that Aksai Chin belonged to India since that time.
Well, here's a China map that India Today has accessed. We heard how it clearly, the maps that were accessed from 1893, the 1909 and 1919 shows Ladakh region in which China has clearly acknowledged Aksai Chin and Galwan River Valley to be Indian territory. This completely contradicts China's current claims and their stance. Well, hostilities between the two sides only escalates. We're looking at China pumping up their machinery, their forces on their side of the border, right at a distance from the Indian side. The India troops also beefing up security in the meanwhile, not stepping back.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.